Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Velar channel. Today I'll show you what to do if you get banned on Roblox for one day. You can try writing to support, but the spoiler support team only replies once every 2 or 3 days, so they might not even get back to you in time. But it's still worth a shot. Let's go into Roblox. You can even do it from a different account. Click on Settings, then Help and Safety. Here we need to click on Report and Appeals. Click on Help. Now we fill out the form for which account you got banned, right? We enter the email address, name, and username of the account, right? And here we select the type, what you got in trouble for, right? I'm not sure about this one. Appeal? Yeah, an appeal. We select the issue here and write a brief apology or dispute, then submit the appeal. And then we wait for a response. They might even unban you early, that's all. Everyone, like and subscribe to the channel. See you later, everyone.